In this video, my mom is going to show you how to fix chips and scratches in your car's paint. Her favorite product is Dr. ColorChip. Shake the paint for 20 seconds. The instructions say you should apply a dab of paint next to the chip and then smear it into the chip. But my mom doesn't like this method. The best way to do it is dab the paint directly in the chip and then smear it like this. Sometimes you'll need to apply several layers of paint. We have about 50 chips to fill, so we're going to speed up the video. The small chips are easiest to fix. This stuff works awesome on them. It's good on scratches too. But if a chip is deep and goes down to bare metal, it won't stick very well. It also doesn't stick to rust. Paint has dried, it's time to remove the paint blobs. Start rubbing with gentle yet firm pressure. Then, as the paint lifts, reduce the pressure and rub softly. to repeat the entire process 2 to 3 times, but the results are worth it. Doesn't it look awesome? The kit used in this video is Dr. ColorChip Road Rash Kit. You can find your car's paint code here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, ask questions, or share your own review and tips in the comments below.